In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add 3CX live chat to WordPress for free, step by step, even if you're a beginner. This is a great option if you want real-time chat on your website without paying for expensive tools, and it works perfectly for small businesses, support teams, and service websites. We'll walk through the full setup inside WordPress, install the plugin, configure the settings, and make sure the chat is working on your site. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future WordPress and software tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. To get started, make sure you're logged into your WordPress dashboard. This is the main admin area where you manage your website, install plugins, and control settings. Once you're on the dashboard, you're ready to begin adding the 3CX live chat functionality. From your WordPress dashboard, go to your website's admin area. This is usually accessed by adding /wp-admin to your site's URL. After the page loads, you'll see the familiar WordPress menu on the left-hand side. This is where all plugin and site configuration happens. Next, look at the left menu and click on Plugins. This section allows you to manage all the plugins installed on your WordPress site. If you've already used live chat plugins before, you'll see them listed here. Otherwise, we'll be installing a new one for 3CX. Once you're inside the plugin section, click on Add New at the top. This will take you to the WordPress plugin marketplace, where you can search for free plugins directly from WordPress. In the search bar, type 3CX or Live Chat Support. Look for the official live chat plugin that works with 3CX. When you find the correct plugin, click the Install button. WordPress will now download and install the plugin automatically for you. This usually only takes a few seconds. After the installation is complete, the Install button will change to Activate. Go ahead and click Activate to enable the plugin on your website. Once the plugin is activated, you'll need to configure the settings. In the WordPress menu, locate the new live chat or 3CX related settings option added by the plugin. Click into it to open the configuration panel. Here, you'll connect your 3CX account, adjust chat behavior, and customize how the chat widget appears on your site. Make sure to save your changes after setting everything up. Now comes the final step. Go to one of your website pages or posts where you want the chat to appear. Load the page on the front end of your site and confirm that the 3CX live chat widget is visible and working correctly. If you see the chat box, congratulations, you've successfully added 3CX live chat to WordPress for free. This setup allows visitors to contact you instantly, improving customer support and engagement. That's it for this tutorial. You've learned how to install, configure, and activate 3CX live chat on a WordPress website without spending any money. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with anyone who might find it useful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.